This luxurious 5-bedroom, 6 full baths, 2-story home is located in Harrison County. Interior features of this property include recent renovations to the kitchen, a separate laundry room, large bedrooms, walk-in closets, hardwood floors, superior grade kitchen appliances, a home theater room, a recreation or bonus room, a microwave oven, a sunroom, a formal dining room, a formal living room, a washer and dryer, central air conditioning, a finished walkout basement, granite countertops, a jacuzzi tub, a home security system, a home warranty, a luxury master suite, cathedral or tray ceilings, a foyer entry, crown molding, French doors, a family room, an office, a library, a gourmet kitchen, a kitchen island, a water filter system, solid wood cabinets, and energy-efficient windows. This property has high-speed internet service available. On the outside, this property features a lot with acreage, a 3-car attached garage, an exceptional view, a swimming pool, a patio, a large deck, a shingle roof, a brick exterior finish, a barn, and a pasture. Community amenities include a golf course nearby, great area schools, and a swimming pool. The approximate square footage is 7,487 square feet. This property is represented by
Beverly Cooper, Remax Creative Realty.